Hello friends! Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today we're diving into something truly special, bringing fresh, early spring energy into your farmhouse kitchen and beyond. If you're ready to shake off winter's heaviness and welcome lighter, brighter days, you're in exactly the right place. We'll walk through every corner of your home, from that charming exterior to cozy reading nooks, sharing practical tips that anyone can implement. Before we begin this journey together, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Drop a comment below telling me your favorite farmhouse element. I read every single one. Now, let's create magic together. Your farmhouse exterior sets the stage for everything inside. For early spring, think about refreshing your facade with subtle, seasonal touches that honor traditional farmhouse aesthetics. Consider a fresh coat of classic white or soft gray paint on shutters, paired with a beautifully stained wooden front door. Add a simple grapevine wreath adorned with eucalyptus sprigs and white blooms. Nothing overly ornate, just naturally elegant. Window boxes filled with early spring greenery like pansies or ornamental kale bring life without overwhelming the architecture. The key here is what designers call restrained embellishment, letting your home's natural beauty shine while adding just enough seasonal detail to feel current and welcoming. Step inside, and your entryway should immediately offer both warmth and organization. Install sturdy wall hooks in black iron or aged bronze for coats and hats. Function meets farmhouse charm. Below, position a reclaimed wood bench with woven baskets underneath for shoe storage. Above the bench, hang a large vintage-inspired mirror with a chunky wooden frame to amplify natural light and create the illusion of more space. Layer a natural jute runner with a smaller pattern mat at the door for visual interest and practicality. On a narrow console table, display a ceramic pitcher filled with fresh branches or early blooms. This layering technique, what we call curated functionality, ensures every piece serves a purpose while contributing to the overall aesthetic. Transform your living room into a spring sanctuary by embracing lighter textiles and natural elements. Swap heavy winter throws for lightweight linen or cotton versions in soft cream, pale blue, or sage green. Arrange your seating to encourage conversation, perhaps a slip-covered sofa paired with vintage wooden chairs or a tufted ottoman. Incorporate what designers call organic accents, a dough bowl filled with fresh lemons, galvanized metal containers with greenery, or a collection of white ironstone on open shelving. Remove visual clutter by editing down to your most treasured pieces. The farmhouse aesthetic thrives on negative space, that intentional breathing room that makes each element feel more significant and allows the eye to rest peacefully. Your farmhouse dining room deserves a spring refresh that balances simplicity with celebration. Center your table with a long wooden trough filled with moss, white candles, and scattered pottery pieces, an arrangement with dimension and texture. Layer your table with a neutral linen runner, allowing the beautiful wood grain to show on either side. Mix and match white dishes with vintage glassware for collected charm rather than matchy perfection. Above the table, consider a statement light fixture, perhaps a black metal chandelier or wooden bead pendant that draws the eye upward. Fresh greenery and simple glass bottles at each place setting adds life. This approach, called casual elegance, means your table always feels special yet approachable and livable for everyday moments. The kitchen truly is the heart of farmhouse living, and spring offers the perfect opportunity to refresh this hardworking space. Start with your cabinetry. If you have open shelving, style it with white dishes, wooden cutting boards displayed vertically, and the occasional green plant or herb in a ceramic pot. For closed cabinets, consider switching hardware to classic cup pulls or simple knobs in unlacquered brass that will patina beautifully over time. Dress your refrigerator's surroundings with a vintage-inspired calendar or small chalkboard for grocery lists. Near your stove, display wooden utensils in a stoneware crock and keep your most used oils in glass bottles for both beauty and function, what we call working decor. Creating beautiful kitchen vignettes elevates the everyday into something magazine-worthy. On your countertop, designate a coffee station with your small machine, vintage canister for beans, and a few favorite mugs on hooks beneath a floating shelf. This zone styling approach keeps things functional while visually pleasing. Near the sink, place a white ceramic soap dispenser and a small potted herb like basil or mint, practical and pretty. On floating shelves or glass front cabinets, create balance through the rule of threes. Group items in odd numbers for visual interest. Perhaps 3 white pitchers of varying heights, or a cutting board leaning behind a bowl with fresh fruit beside a small plant. These thoughtful arrangements make daily tasks feel more intentional. Your family room should be the ultimate cozy retreat where farmhouse style meets modern comfort. Arrange seating around a reclaimed wood coffee table, ensuring enough space for traffic flow but close enough for conversation. Mount your flat-screen TV above a rustic wood mantel or within a shiplap accent wall to integrate it into the farmhouse aesthetic rather than fighting against it. Layer in texture through chunky knit throws, linen pillows in muted tones, and a natural fiber rug underfoot. Add warmth with table lamps on side tables. Choose bases in ceramic, wood, or metal with linen shades. The concept here is lived-in luxury, spaces that feel collected over time, comfortable enough for movie nights, yet beautiful enough to be proud of daily. Creating a home office within farmhouse aesthetic requires balancing productivity with personality. Choose a desk with character, perhaps a reclaimed wood piece or a vintage farm table repurposed for modern work. Position it near natural light if possible, adding a classic desk lamp for task lighting. Keep a small vintage radio on a shelf for background music that feels timelessly connected to simpler eras. Display a unique small desk clock, maybe brass or wood, that's both functional and decorative. Use wall-mounted shelving or a vintage cabinet for storage, keeping supplies hidden but accessible. Add 1 or 2 meaningful pieces, a framed botanical print, a small succulent in a ceramic pot, or a woven basket for files. This purposeful styling ensures your workspace feels inspiring without becoming cluttered. Every farmhouse deserves a reading nook, a small sanctuary dedicated to quiet moments. Identify an underutilized corner, perhaps near a window, and anchor it with a comfortable upholstered chair in neutral linen or a vintage wooden rocker with cushions. Place a small round side table within arm's reach for your coffee and current book. Add a floor lamp with adjustable arm for perfect reading light. Layer in a soft throw blanket and a few pillows in complementary textures, maybe linen, cotton, and a subtle pattern. On the wall, install a narrow floating shelf for your current reading stack. A small potted plant or vase with single stems adds life. This concept of microzoning proves you don't need entire rooms, just thoughtful corners that serve specific, restful purposes. Your farmhouse bedroom should be a restful retreat that embraces spring's renewal energy. Center the room with a quality bed dressed in crisp white or soft neutral linens. Think linen duvet covers and cotton sheets for breathability as weather warms. Layer with a lightweight quilt in subtle pattern at the foot. Choose nightstands in natural wood or painted finishes that complement rather than match exactly the collected look farmhouse is known for. Top them with simple ceramic lamps, a small plant, and perhaps a vintage alarm clock. Keep surfaces edited and calm. Add texture through a jute or sisal rug underfoot and flowing linen curtains that filter morning light softly. The goal is what designers call quiet luxury, simple, quality pieces that create profound restfulness. The finishing touches transform a bedroom from simply furnished to thoughtfully designed. Above your bed, consider a simple wood plank accent wall or a large-scale vintage-inspired artwork, something that draws the eye without overwhelming. On a dresser or chest, create a small vignette with a wooden tray holding your everyday jewelry, a small plant, and perhaps a framed photo. Utilize a blanket ladder leaning against the wall to display extra throws and add vertical interest. In the corner, A simple wooden stool can hold tomorrow's outfit or a stack of books. These small additions practice layered minimalism, having enough to feel complete and personal without tipping into clutter. Each piece should either serve a function, bring you joy, or ideally both. Farmhouse bathrooms embrace clean simplicity with natural materials, creating spa-like serenity. Around your shower area, keep surfaces clear but style a small ledge with artisan soap in a wooden dish and perhaps a small potted eucalyptus that thrives in humidity. Choose or refresh your shower curtain to crisp white or subtle stripe, nothing too busy. At the vanity or wastafel, place toiletries in uniform glass or ceramic containers rather than keeping original packaging visible. This concealed storage approach maintains clean lines. Add a wooden tray to corral hand soap, a small vase with single stems and folded hand towels. A vintage-inspired mirror, wall-mounted metal shelves, and fluffy white towels rolled in a wire basket complete the look. Function and beauty coexist peacefully here. Even your garage deserves farmhouse thoughtfulness and organization. Install sturdy wall-mounted systems for tools, using pegboards painted in classic barn red or sage green for visual interest alongside function. Designate zones for different purposes: gardening supplies, automotive needs, seasonal decor storage. Use galvanized metal bins and wooden crates for smaller items, labeling clearly with painted signs or chalkboard labels. If space allows, include a workbench crafted from reclaimed wood with storage beneath. Good lighting is essential. Consider industrial-style fixtures that align with farmhouse aesthetic. The principle here is everything in its place. When organization is beautiful, it's sustainable. A well-ordered garage supports the peaceful, intentional living that farmhouse style celebrates throughout your home. As spring arrives, your farmhouse patio becomes an extension of your living space. Start with durable, weather-appropriate furniture in natural materials. Think teak, cedar, or powder-coated metal in classic black or white. Arrange seating to encourage conversation, perhaps around a simple coffee table or fire pit. Add comfort through weather-resistant cushions in neutral tones with subtle patterns. Incorporate planters in various heights filled with early spring flowers and herbs, lavender, rosemary, petunias in soft colors. String simple Edison bulb lights overhead for ambience as evenings lengthen. A sisal outdoor rug defines the space while maintaining natural aesthetic. Keep accessories minimal but meaningful. Perhaps a galvanized tray for serving, lanterns with pillar candles, or a vintage watering can as decor. This creates outdoor rooms that feel intentionally designed. Understanding color psychology elevates your farmhouse spring refresh from good to exceptional. The classic farmhouse palette, whites, creams, soft grays, and warm woods, creates what designers call a neutral foundation that calms and grounds. For spring, layer in accent colors that feel fresh without abandoning farmhouse roots. Soft sage green connects to nature and promotes tranquility. Pale blue brings airiness and peace. Warm terracotta adds earthiness, and touches of black provide essential contrast and definition. Use the 60-30-10 rule: 60% neutral base, 30% secondary color, 10% accent. This creates visual harmony while allowing personality. Remember, in farmhouse design, colors should whisper rather than shout, supporting the relaxed, timeless feel that makes this aesthetic so enduringly appealing. Texture is farmhouse design's secret weapon for creating visual interest within a neutral palette. This technique, called tactile layering, engages multiple senses and prevents spaces from feeling flat. Combine rough with smooth, reclaimed wood against painted surfaces, chunky knit throws over linen upholstery, smooth ceramic beside woven baskets. In spring, emphasize lighter textures, loose weave linens, cotton, jute, and rattan over winter's heavier wools and velvets. Add dimension through materials: weathered wood, aged metal, natural stone, living plants. Even your wall treatments can vary. Smooth painted walls, shiplap accent areas, exposed brick. Each surface catches light differently, creating depth and shadow that makes rooms feel collected and lived in. Master this, and your spaces will feel professionally designed yet wonderfully comfortable and authentic. Modern farmhouse style naturally aligns with sustainable living, and spring refreshes offer perfect opportunities for conscious choices. Shop secondhand in vintage markets for furniture and decor. Pieces with history have character new items can't replicate while reducing consumption. Choose natural materials that age beautifully: solid wood, natural fibers, ceramic, glass, and metal over plastics. When painting, select low VOC options for healthier indoor air. Invest in quality over quantity. Better one beautiful, well-made linen throw than 3 mediocre ones. Repurpose and reimagine. Old ladders become blanket displays, vintage crates become shelving, worn quilts become pillow covers. This conscious curation approach creates homes that tell authentic stories while treading lighter on our planet. Truly timeless design is inherently sustainable, never going out of style or needing replacement. Perhaps the most challenging yet transformative farmhouse principle is ruthless editing. Before adding anything new this spring, remove what no longer serves you. Walk through each room with fresh eyes, removing items that don't bring function or joy. Clear countertops to only daily essentials plus one beautiful element. Edit bookshelves to showcase favorites with breathing room between. Pare down pillow collections to 3 or 5 per seating area. Odd numbers, remember. This practice, called intentional curation, ensures every item earns its place. The result is rooms that feel spacious, calm, and genuinely beautiful rather than cluttered. Farmhouse style isn't about filling every surface. It's about carefully choosing what stays. When you remove the excess, what remains becomes more significant, more appreciated, more noticed. We've journeyed through every corner of your farmhouse, from welcoming facade to peaceful bedroom, gathering practical tips for refreshing each space for spring's arrival. Remember, you don't need to transform everything overnight. Farmhouse style is about gradual, thoughtful collecting and evolving. Choose one room this week, implement these ideas at your own pace, and watch how small changes create significant impact. The beauty of this aesthetic is its flexibility and forgiveness. There's no single right way, only what feels authentic to you and your family. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to welcome spring into your home with open arms and fresh eyes. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which space are you most excited to refresh? What's your biggest farmhouse decorating challenge? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I truly read and respond to each one, and your questions often inspire future videos. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's also dreaming of farmhouse style. And don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. We're just getting started, and I have so many more ideas to share with you. Until next time, friends, happy decorating, and here's to making your house feel like home.